Okay, so I just handed out your graphic organizer. If you want to take a look at it, on the left side, it has the little square, and it says multi-digit addition problems without regrouping. And today we're going to focus on first reviewing our single-digit numbers, which is what? What is a single-digit number?
It's a number less than 10.
Right, so it only has one digit, right? Yes. So the number 9, is that a single digit?
Yes.
Okay. What about 7?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to trick you now.
Okay.
How about 0? Is 0 a digit?
Yes.
Yes, it is, because if you put a 1 in front of it, then you have a 2-digit number, right? So the 0 is actually in the ones place, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I just gave you an example of what a 2-digit number is. You want to give me a 2-digit number?
14.
14. That is a good number. All right. So, what place is the 4 in?
The ones place.
The ones. And what about the 1?
The tens place.
Good job. Okay, so we just reviewed our single, right? So singles is just one digit, right? And then you just gave me an example of what a 2-digit number would look like, 14. So now what we're going to do is we're going to combine 2 of those together. So we could do like 14 plus 14, because those are two-digit numbers, right?
Yes.
Because they both have 2 numbers in them. So let's do that as a problem. So you said 14. And then what's our symbol that we do for addition?
Plus.
Plus sign, right. And then we'll do another 14. And then a line underneath it. And then to help us out, I'm going to do like a line in between. That way we know we're separating the ones and tens together, okay? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, looking at this problem only, we're going to start at the ones place, and we're going to add both of these numbers together. And then we're going to go to the tens place, and we're going to add both of those numbers together. Okay, so let's start with the ones place. So we're going to add 4 plus 4. And I handed out a number line just in case you may need a little more help adding the numbers together. So if you want to put your finger on the 4, and then I want you to add 4 more. So when we add, we go up, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's add together. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So what's 4 plus 4?
8.
Good job. Alright, and now we're going to do the tens together. So this one's going to be pretty easy for you. So put your finger on the 1, and you're just going to add 1 more. So go up 1. 1, 2. 1 plus 1 is?
2.
2. Good job. Okay, so when we say the number, we start from left to right. Do you know how to say it, the 2? What is the 2 when you say it?
20.
20. And then in the ones, what is that?
8.
So when we add 20 and 8 together, what do we get?
28.
Good job. All right, let's do another problem together. How about, let's do 25. Oops, really small 5. 25, and then we're going to add 63. This one's a big one. I'm going to put my plus sign, and then I'm going to draw a little T-chart. Alright, so what was the first step that we do?
The ones.
The ones place, right? Okay, so I'm going to put your finger on the 5, and I want you to go up how many?
3.
3. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So what's 5 plus 3?
8.
8. Okay. And then we're going to move to what column? What's this one?
10.
10. All right, so we have a 2 and a 6. So we're going to put our finger on the 2, and we're going to go up 6. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we have 2 plus 6 is
8.
8. Good. And then when we add this together, we're going to start on the right side,
No.
the left side, the tens. So what is this number?
80.
88.
8.
Good. So we have 88. And did you notice that we didn't have to like put another 10 over here? Because that, if we did that, then that would be regrouping. And that's what we're going to actually do tomorrow. But today we're just focusing on just adding the two numbers together and making one number. All right. So I'm going to have you tell me one 2-digit number. So it has to have how many numbers in it?
2.
2. So I want you to tell me 2 of those. Okay? So come up with one, but we can't regroup, so we can't carry over, remember? So it has to be less than, the ending has to be less than like 9.
43.
43. That's a good number. Good job of saying that right, too. And then what's our other number going to be?
22.
22. All right. And then what sign do I put here? Subtraction? Is it a minus?
No.
It's a plus sign, right?
Yes.
And then I'm going to put my little T chart down to help us. All right. So the first step, we start on the tens,
No.
the ones.
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to do 3 plus 2. Do you need your number chart?
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to put your finger on the 3 and you want to add 2. Does that mean you go up or down?
Up.
Up? Okay. So we're going to go up. So 3, 4, 5. All right. So we have 3 plus 2 is?
5.
5. That's good job. All right. So now we're going to do 4 plus 2. So 4. You got your finger there. Good job. Then we're going to add 2 more. So we're going to go up. 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 is?
6.
6. Good. And is this number 56?
No.
No, that would be opposite, right?
Yes.
So we're going to start on the 10 spot. Okay, how do we say this number? 65. 65. Good. Okay. What if I added, let me pick a hard one since you're so smart. That's a big 5. Alright, let's do 57. And then I'm going to do subtraction. Is that what we're doing today?
No.
No, we're doing addition. So that's a what sign? Plus. Should I do 32? That's a good number, right?
Yes.
So that's not going to go over 10, so we don't have to regroup. Alright, so I'm going to see if you can help me do this. I start on the tens.
No.
No. I start on the ones.
Yes.
Okay, and then I add 7 plus 2.
And 2. 3's on the tens.
3's on the tens. Good job. Yep, that's right. Alright, you want your number chart? Or you think you can do it all by yourself?
I'll try it by myself.
Okay, so let's do this. You have 7, 8, 9. Good. I really like the way you used your visuals to help you with that. So 7 plus 2 is?
9.
9. Okay. Now we're going to move to the tens place, right?
Yes.
So we have, what number is this?
5.
5, and this one is?
3.
3. Okay, you want to use your fingers, or you think you can do it by yourself?
I'll do it by myself.
Okay, so you have 5 plus 3 is?
8.
8. Good. That was cool that you did it without the visual. Alright. I'm going to say that this number is 98. Is that right?
No.
No,
You
because
read it backwards.
yeah, I started in what place?
The ones.
The ones, and I needed to start in the tens, right?
Yes.
Alright, so let's try this one. So this is 89. So I have 8 tens, right?
Mm.
Which is 80. And then I add 9 ones and I get 89. Alrighty. You want to pick one more problem for us, and then we're going to move on to our next activity?
Yes.
Alright, what is it? 2 digit, 2 numbers.
2 digit. 54.
54, that's a good number. I don't think we use that one. What's our symbol?
Plus.
Plus. You want to do like 23?
Yeah.
Is that a good number?
Yep.
Alright. T chart. Okay. What side am I going to start on? Am I going to start on this side?
Yes, on ones.
Good. So 4 plus 3. You want your number line, or are you going to do it on your own?
I'll do it on my own.
Alrighty, here we go. 4,
5, 6, 7.
7. Good. 7. And then we're going to do, what place is this?
10.
Tens. And this is a 5 and a 2. 5 plus 2 is, 5,
7.
7. Good. Very good. Whoa. Look, they're both the same number, aren't they?
Yep.
So I have, what number is this?
77.
Good job. Alrighty, so I'm going to have you work on a little worksheet, and I will be here to help you. And if you have any questions, you can ask me.
Okay.